tired. I'm halfway done.
Hi guys, so it's a nice weather today, so I think it's a nice day to plant some of my plants that I bought at Lowe's with my husband. So let's do it. I'm just gonna do it alone, of course, because my husband is working today, and I have a visitor this week from Oregon, which is my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law is coming here. So I want it to look nice, so we can do it and be with me, guys, and help me. What should I do? And yeah, let's do it. So I'm putting some soil and some marigold and some spiky trees. I don't know, spiky plants. That I put in the middle, and of course I'm gonna put some white rocks, so it's easy for my husband to see when he go back up for the car, so it's easy for him to see the driveway. So that's my idea, so hope they will like it, especially my husband and my visitors pretty soon. Yes, mukha na akong kargador. So help me, guys, and let's see how it turned out. So this is the other way I do my workout. Yeah, carrying this sack of soil and putting on the driveway, and then I think I used 5 sacks of soil from our driveway, side of this driveway, and it's not enough yet. I'm not done yet on the top of the hill over there, so I'm just gonna spread the soil, and then I'm gonna put rocks on the both sides of the soil, so it's easy for me to plant my flowers there, and the soil will stand on their place, because the stone will block them, just in case, because it's still raining right here, even in springtime especially, so the water from the top of the hill will go down to our driveway, which is not good for my plants. But since I'm putting the rocks both sides of my soil, and the plants stands there and it stays there, and yeah, I think I did a good job for it. So let's see it. I love this weather today. Yes, girl, work it.
I'm so tired. I'm halfway done, and I'm gonna need to work on the top of the hill also, but I'm out of soil and plants. So this is summer for me, spring, because I do really love planting, because I had a dream thumb. And I just love to see flowers every day, especially when you wake up in the morning and you see flowers. Boom! That's a nice day. It starts a nice day for me. Just look at this color of the flower. They're beautiful, isn't it? So don't mind my bare face, because why should I wear a makeup while I'm planting some plants, right? So there you go. Now I grew up in the Philippines, which we always plant plants there because the weather there is so beautiful. I mean, we have a rainy season. We only have two seasons. It is the summer and the rainy season. So that's it. And it's good to plant some plants there because they love the weather, especially the tropical weather there. Oh God, it's to die for. I miss my home. I miss my country, of course, especially the food and the people, my friends, especially my family, my son. You know, it's too hard living in the foreign country. I have some friends, but of course they can't give the loneliness from your family. It just, and I have my husband here, which is my family. But still, if there's some, it feels like there's a hole on your heart that makes you incomplete when it with your families. But of course, you need to change, you need to grow up. This is my life now, which hopefully I'll bring my son here, so be with me. But it's just I'm so worried because we live in a countryside, which is there's few kids here. They have some kids, but they don't let them go play outside their house, of course, because there's some strange people. Plants there, and this is geranium also white, and this is, we have like this in the Philippines. What is the name of this? They call it manduvilla, and I haven't, of course, I'm not done yet. I need a major work for that one. And this one, I'm done with this today. Like that, big mold that there, and then work on that top of the hill, and then this one first till tomorrow. So I have a deadline till tomorrow because we have a visitor on Thursday. She's my brother-in-law from Oregon, so I need to prepare. I made this one